Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cunning Beauty. I am Delisa and I'm here with another video for you today. Y'all, I got so excited to put on some makeup for you all today. This is just my go-to, I guess you could say, everyday makeup look. I guess pre-quarantine because I'm not going anywhere. This would pretty much be how I did my makeup every morning. It's very, simple. I'm not wearing any eyeshadow. I'm not wearing any false lashes. This video will be very quick and simple for you. I just want to show you the products that I use and some of the techniques that I use to achieve this look. If this is your first time to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when all of my new videos are coming out. And make sure you follow me on Instagram at cunning_beauty. All right, let me show you how I achieved my go-to makeup look. Ooh, the before is never pretty, is it? Well, let's hurry this along so you don't have to look at me like this much longer. By now, y'all have seen me do my eyebrows a million times. Using the Brow Wiz by Anastasia Beverly Hills in dark brown. I've just always felt more comfortable doing my eyebrows with a pencil. I don't know why. I guess I just feel like I have more control with the pencil. So you just stick with what you know. I know eyebrows are sisters and not twins, but for some reason my eyebrows are like stepsisters. One is thinner than the other, one has more of an arch than the other. It is always so hard to get them to look somewhat alike. But I think I've just learned to make it work with what I can. So I filled in my eyebrows. Now I'm gonna clean them up with concealer. I feel like it's always my left eyebrow that gives me all the trouble. For me, the longest part of doing my makeup is my eyebrows. I don't know why. I mean, I guess I just try to get them as perfect as possible. Literally doing the rest of my face does not take that long. But eyebrows just really make your face. So now I like to go in with the Lip Bar Quick Draw 2-in-1 Brow Gel and Pencil. For this, since I already used the pencil from Anastasia, I'm only using this for the brow gel. I do really like this brow gel. And I like to do this on top of the pencil just to give it more of a natural looking fill in. Eyebrows are done. Moving on. Now I'm just going to moisturize under my eyes because really I'm only putting on concealer, too much, concealer and powder. That's the only face makeup that I'm wearing. So I just still want to make sure that my face is nice and moisturized. Especially when I put my concealer on, you don't want it to crease or anything like that. So I'm using my favorite concealer from Fenty Beauty. This is their Pro Filtr in the shade 380. I love this concealer because it is definitely like a full coverage concealer. Which is perfect because I'm not putting foundation on my face. I'm only just really concealing under my under eyes because of my dark circles. And I'll blend that out and then put some powder over it. And that's really only the face like foundation makeup we'll be using today. And see how I can just kind of blend that out to the rest of my face. So if you're doing a makeup look with only concealer, you want to use a concealer that matches your skin tone. You don't want to use the same concealer you use for brightening because it won't match your skin tone and you'll be walking around looking crazy. But if you're doing just an everyday makeup routine where you're using concealer, you want to use a concealer that's closest to your skin tone. Blending the concealer out. See how I can just kind of blend that out without putting it all over my face like foundation? And then to even it out, we'll use a powder. So the only eyeliner I'll be putting on today is on my waterline, just to make my face pop a little bit. This one is from LA Colors. It's their eyeliner in the shade Black. Believe it or not, this eyeliner is from the Dollar Tree. If you saw my video doing makeup with nothing but items from the Dollar Tree, you will see that this is one of those items. It actually works really well, and it actually glides on my waterline very smoothly. It's only $1. See how the liner gives me a little bit of like depth and like just more color in my face? That's what we're looking for. We don't want to be too glam, but just a little subtle to make it look like we're somewhat awake. So I'll be using powder today from Makeup Forever. This is their Matte Velvet Skin Foundation Powder. This is in the shade Y445. I'm basically going to use this to blend out the concealer and then give my face more of a matte finish. We're not putting too much, just enough for it to kind of blur my face. Okay, we are all blended out. Make sure you get the neck, the ears, all of that. You know I couldn't do makeup on my face without mentioning the lip bar. That's pretty much my favorite brand. But this is their Fresh Glow Bronzer and Blush Duo, and this is in the shade Just Got Paid. So I use their bronzer almost as like a contour to put a little bit of color back in my face, to just make my cheekbones pop a little bit. That way I don't look so washed out. When I use this blush, I really don't even have to put a highlighter on because it already comes with like a sparkly glow to it. This is the Telescopic mascara from L'Oreal. Y'all, this is my holy grail. I've been using this for years. It is so good. It makes your eyelashes so long. I love this mascara. I always end up trying other mascaras, but then I always end up coming right back to Telescopic. So what I'll do is I'll put one coat on one eye. Look at that, you can already see the difference. But as that one is drying, I'll do the other eye. There we go. And this is just with one coat from this mascara. So I always do 2 coats. So now that this one is a little dry, I'll do another coat, because it always shows up better when you apply the second coat after it's dried a little bit. Look at that. Woo! Nothing like Telescopic. Nothing like Telescopic. So we're almost done with our look. The last thing is, of course, some lip gloss or lipstick, whichever you prefer. I'm talking as I put this on. I always like to moisturize my lips first. So for our lips, we're going back to the lip bar, of course. So I'm going to be using their lip liner Straight Living, which is kind of like a dark brown. And then this is Control Freak, which is like a burnt orange lip gloss. All right, this is the final look. Just very nice and subtle with a little pop of color with the lip gloss. I like this look because it's not over the top, it doesn't take long to do, and you can pretty much wear this for any occasion. Let me know what you think in the comment section. If you liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.